Yeah, I want to show you how I put this birdhouse installed it in my backyard. First, I got a 6 foot 4x4. I got ready to I marked the spots for the where the brace would go that holds the birdhouse. After I drilled a hole, I put two anchors in, and then I screwed it into the anchors partial away, and then the brace slides down, and you could tighten the screws the rest of the way. Then I found my spot up where I want to install it. I dug a hole about 2 foot deep. Um, Usually I would put concrete around it to hold the post good, but I didn't do it this time because there's a chance I might be moving it to another spot in the yard if the Wi-Fi for the bird feeder doesn't pick up good. So I just stomped down the dirt with a post so it would be good and sturdy. Next, after I got it up, after I attached the bird feeder to the post and to the bracket, next step was to put my little solar panel on, so I don't have to worry about keep charging it. I installed it to the back because that's the part of the yard where the sun is most of the day, so I want to make sure it got good charge. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks.